everyone, I'm Welding Crystal. Look at my hand. It's copper and stainless steel pipes. Before welding, I need to simply fix them together.
Secure the pipe by aligning the tip of the tungsten needle directly above the weld.
The customer required the inside of the pipe should be flat, so I need to fill the argon gas into the pipe. Be sure that the inner wall will not be oxidized and sugar. We need to close the other side of the pipe and leave a pore to equalize the pressure inside of the pipe. Now we turn on the argon switch and start welding. From this small window, you can see the internal working. The rail will drive the tungsten needle to complete the welding process.
A few minutes later, the welding will complete.
Now let's see the welding effect. Okay.
We can also look at the wheels on the inside. It is molded on both sides. The interior looks very nice.